Hi guys, Riders of Bridgewater here with a 2015 Ducati 1299 Panigale. It's a 2015 model, 1,000 miles on the clock, so it's in excellent condition. So it's got 205 horsepower, definitely one of the best sports bikes you can buy for the road. If you click on the link below, you can see that it will take you to our website where there'll be more pictures of the bike. So we just start it up, hear what it sounds like. Oh, there's different power modes you can have in here: wet, race and sport. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully see you in the store soon.